Hello everyone, it's 10th December. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page, we have government orders Indigo to cut down flights by 10%. Summons CEO, again very important. Then we have to fund Hydel project. NHPC proposed its forest land assets as collateral. Government said no. Environment Ministry red flag move. Project on Arunachal Assam border faces 3,000% cost escalation. Again very important for environment as well as infrastructure perspective. Then we have US team in Delhi for talks. Trump threatens tariffs on Indian rice. Again, very important. Then we have CAQM wants BS3 compliant and vehicles of earlier models out of SC order purview. Again, very important for polity and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have after 3 years, center resumes Manrega in Bengal but with special conditions. Again, very important for polity and governance perspective. Then we have 4 months to go, only 27% of budget used for urban development schemes. Again, very important for development perspective. Then we have Meitei leaders visit to Kuki camp. BJP says all its MLA support this. Again, very important for security perspective. Then we have bank fraud case. CBI books Anil Ambani's son. Again, very important for security perspective. Going forward, we have the editorial page where we have MAGA agenda is now America's global strategy. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have state should reclaim its role shape digital markets. Again, very important for state perspective. Then we have going forward, we have central recommends AI companies pay creator royalties at government panel set rates. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have India EU discuss code chapter of trade deal. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have Microsoft commits to investing $17.5 billion on India's AI build out. Again, very important for economic perspective. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have Zelensky refuses to feed the land, rallies European allies. Then we have inwards first Australia social media ban for U16S takes effect. Then we have fighting spreads. Thailand says don't use tariff on to force peace with Cambodia. Then we have Israel to reopen Jordan border crossing for passage of aid goods. Again, all these news are very important for international relations perspective. Then we have the explain page where we have why India is not dumping rice in the US as Trump says. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have how countries like Myanmar and Cambodia turned into hubs of cyber slavery. Again, very important. Then we have US trade talks begin today. India has reason to expect breakthrough. Again, very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.